Hello, incredible fans of Fascinating World. Thank you for watching our previous video, for subscribing, and for being part of this growing community of curious minds. I truly appreciate you. Today, we're exploring one of nature's most daring architectural wonders, a home that hangs in mid-air, suspended from a thin branch, sometimes even built over water, swaying above rivers, lakes, open space. And somehow, it survives. At first glance, it looks fragile, impossible. Like one strong wind could send it crashing down. But here's the genius. These birds begin with a single strand of grass. They tie a secure knot around a branch, their anchor. Then they weave. Back and forth, over and under. Thousands of precise movements using nothing but their beaks. They don't build upward like we do. They build downward, suspending the structure as it grows. Every strand tightened, every loop tested. And when storms come, the nest doesn't resist the wind. It moves with it. It sways. It bends. It dances. That flexibility is its strength. Instead of breaking, it absorbs the force, like a living suspension bridge, engineered by instinct. Now, here's what makes it even more fascinating. Inside this floating structure, life begins. Eggs are laid, chicks hatch. Tiny birds are raised in what looks like a swinging basket in the sky. And believe it or not, this is luxury living for them. Why? Because it's secure. Hanging over water makes it difficult for snakes and climbing predators to reach. The narrow entrance protects the young inside. The height gives them visibility and safety. What seems risky to us is actually brilliant design. A penthouse nursery in the treetops. A fortress disguised as something delicate. And when the wind returns, the nest sways gently. But it remains strong, flexible, alive. If you watched until this moment, thank you. Your support keeps Fascinating World growing, and I promise you, the next videos in this series will be even more fascinating. Now tell me, what should we explore next? Leave your ideas in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Fascinating World so you never miss the wonders hidden in plain sight. Until next time, stay curious.